Yeah. Gracie, talk to the camera.
I can't believe these toys like really get Where did you get all of these dirty dishes from? I brought home the big bowl and this container. Because they were at work and I forgot to bring them home on Friday.
Oh yeah,
that was the food that
Gracie ate all that and Richard cooking. Oh no, Gracie and Ethan.
Wow.
I miss that so much.
For when you had like a little lunch with your hot dog and your chips and all that. You know your little plate that you use.
Oh, yeah.
No, I was asking your mom, where did all these dishes come from? But she brought them from work.
Gracie, watch that video again. Where you're crying.
I miss Mama. You really want pizza for dinner?
Yeah. I
Oh, I bet it's up there.
miss Mama.
Ethan will
I miss
disown me.
Mama.
Look at Ethan.
Down there.
You just need to turn them off already.
Stop being so obnoxious.
Is that your kid's work?
For me,
Is that your
slicing.
skin?
Yeah, look, it go like that. That's from the knife. See how easy it would cut
Yeah.
if you mess with it?
Kind of like scissors when you're playing with them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See how the knife cuts your skin?
Okay, Gracie.
Okay, no more, you guys. All she's doing is just yelling. That's all
No,
she's
it's so
doing.
obnoxious. Nobody wants to watch that.
Hi.
Let's see how many views she can get.
Hi, my name is Grace, and I'm 4 years old.
You're doing a horrible filming.
I'm 4 years old. I'm
Go
done.
show them your stuff. Gracie.
So I
Grace.
have this, and I have Play-Doh, and I have a Barbie house.
And you dried out. You played out.
And I drank all my Play-Doh, and there's my Barbie house over there. And
Stand up and show it. Show everything that's yours.
Gracie, are you gonna go take your clothes upstairs, baby? Huh?
Just help her take her clothes upstairs, please, love.
Okay, Richard's.
Gracie, come help
Here.
your brother.
Here, Gracie. Sugar. Grace, here, brother has your other ones. Come on, we're helping.
Come on now, or I won't buy you any more clothes.
Look, you're just gonna drop them all over the place. Well, you're in front. The only way I can beat you is if I grab you and not let you move.
Thank you, Ethan.
You're welcome. Sorry for waiting so long, but this is our Barbie house. There's the mountain. And also, we live at America. Here's our little doggy.
If you don't know how to keep your drawers organized,
Two
just put
socks.
those in there.
Here's two socks. Our doggy. He's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Look.
Ethan, I thought I was gonna show you something.
I know.
Okay.
Hey.
Here's my bedroom. Here's my tent. I love it. Wow! I
Come
love
on, Lisa.
it. Here's my little potato.
Two socks, come on.
Okay, I'm done, Ethan.
And turn that light off when you come out, Ethan.
So guys, this is me.
So this is me.
Grace, turn the light off in your room.
No. Ethan, you do.
And guys, this is me. Hi. You saw that because it's too dark up there. And this is Gracie. Come into the kitchen. This is Gracie. Zoom into that face. Zoom in. And this is me. Hola.
Can you do me a favor, baby?
Hola. Yeah.
I think there is
Gracie.
pizza in the freezer in the garage.
I want pizza.
Pizza.
Can you go get it, please?
Hi, my name is Pizza Girl, so I make pizzas, as you know. So